this my prayer and fasting work for me. Make this one game I want play today, the final of this African Nations Cup, make it go my way.
After na Tom, hurry up, sit down now, make we on TV start to watch this match. Game go don't start by now.
No wahala Joe, I got all the TV now. You know as me I dey do my own thing now. I dey commit everything into prayer before we start.
Tom, leave that thing, I don't tell you before. Game na calculation and positioning. If you sabi the game, you sabi the game. No be by prayer and fasting alone.
I hear you Joe, but you know as me I dey do my own betting now. Me I dey like go all out, straight win. We know the match break.
Shebi you like Suicide Squad. No problem now. Make you dey follow them. Now soon I go dey kill you and self they go up and down. This ain't easy to dey get straight win.
I hear you, expert. Which kind game you even carry self?
Me, I just put my money on top 2.5. They score 3 goals. My own money don't enter be that. This man they like to play this your suicide mission game.
Joe, I beg, focus on your own game, Jerry. No carry your win, she can't spoil my game for you. Just focus on your own game.
No worry, Tom, my ticket in my hand. Alpha, tell me, who you even bet against?
As I do like this, I don't want to talk about the matter. I dey keep am top secret until the match end before I go let everybody know who I bet against.
I beg, Pastor, I beg. On this TV now, the game don't start.
I hear you, Joe, I hear you. The TV dey on, Jerry. Oh yeah.
You see am now, Tom. Game don't start since you dey inside the pray.
My guy, forget that thing. If you know the kind of investment I don't put inside this match, you sef you for come join me, they pray too.
I beg, make I hear what Jerry. Now me send me go dey borrow money, they sell all your property because of one match. Quickly give the TV belle, make we dey hear wetin dey talk, Joe.
See this mugu, no worry now. By the end of this match, you go know the reason why they call me Mr. Tom, Lagos guy.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Tom, this match hot too. The two sides don't agree for themselves at all. I like this match. I pray may they score plenty goals for this match.
Waiting they worry these guys now. I bet we could have mark your opponent, mark him. More marking, more passes. My team want you start giving me an attack for this match. Oh God, I beg me they just try play well.
Tom, which one be this one where they jump up and down now? See, I tell you, when you play game when you know say they safe, you know go hear what.
Come Joe, I dey suspect you, this guy. Which time you can't turn prophet for sport betting? Maybe me teach you how all the things where you know about game.
Just take am easy. At least wait, make one person score one goal first. Make we know where the match they go.
I hear you, Joe. You know as me I be now, my blood always hot. Everything when I get now I put inside this match.
No
wahala now, Tom. I hear you. As a patriotic Nigerian, I know say na Naija you bet on top. So believe in your team. Your team go surely deliver.
I hear you, Joe, but you know say you don't take when Nigeria don't win Nations Cup. Wait to. It be like say my team don't dey attack. They don't dey attack. Wait to. They don't score one goal. Yes.
Tom, see how game they go well for me and you. No pressing, more goals to enter like that.
I talk calm. See why it could make the play straight win, Joe. Later you go talk say you wise for street. See why you no need to dey mess with me, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy, for this betting game.
Congratulations, Tom. Your team they play well. But time still dey small, Shamu just dey watch, yeah?
I beg my friend keep quiet. As Nigeria don't score one goal like this, nothing dey happen again. You know when last we win Nations Cup, our blood dey hot for this game.
I don't hear you, Tom. Look, we still dey watch. Time still dey. No go dey celebrate anyhow.
Get away you there, my friend. I beg I dey come here and quickly use toilet. I know say by the time I come back, my team will not score second goal.
This man, they have left you behind. May God not allow them, may them kill you.
Thank God say I put all my money inside this final. I just know say Nigeria will win this match. At least so make my country pay me this time. Who they coming for this kind of time?
After Nathan, since when you collect money from my hand, I don't hear from me again. If it doesn't have to do, we will collect the money. I beg, you say me, I know they use money play. That money now, my business money be that. I beg.
Alaji, now you. This one where they coming for this kind of time now. Don't tell you may you get patient. Yeah? I go get the money for you this evening. Just get patient. Get one small package while they wait for. Once he enter, I go even add small interest for you.
No problem now. As you talk say that this evening, I go send people come here and me collect them.
God, take am easy. I better no send anybody come my mansion. Just get patient. Make wetin I dey do finish. In the next few minutes now, I go call you back. Let you know as they go.
Come, Tom. You know say me I know they play with my money. And me, I understand you well. I know as you dey take do your thing. You know say your story dey down. I'm 40 years old, man.
Okay, no wahala. Just get patient. No worry. Go collect your money with interest. Now me now, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy.
Tom, I don't hear you. As I did like this, I will give you less than 20 minutes to quickly arrange my money. And again, I don't go up and down and arrest everybody when they owe me money. And I will soon they come your side now. So make sure say you ready.
No wahala, Alaji. Your money go down the ground before you come.
This man!
God. I pray may this match go well. As they lead like this, may the thing just go like that.
Tom, I beg come on.
Which one? This one where Jody shout my name up and down like this. May I go see waiting the worry I'm Jerry.
May God not let them make them kill.
Come Joe, I don't like as they shout my name up and down like this. Say you want make landlord hear you. Waiting they happen himself.
Come, Tom, what did they do for toilet since? You stay there, they relax, I mean. They don't score one goal.
Jai! Which time they equalize? Joe, I don't pay side to suspect you, this guy. Now you no can't tell me when I did toilet, man, I quickly start to the pray and fast. Scores now 1-1. Hey, God, this kind of while I can't be this one now. Everything what I get now put inside this game.
Tom, I beg sit down first, move quickly watch this match finish. You need to calm down. You know say now you put your money on top Nigeria straight win. The best thing where you fit do now to get faith in your team. I dey sure say they fit pull one back.
Joe, I hear you. Now everything when I get now I put inside this game. My motto, that my round with my uncle give me last year. Everything now I put inside. Oh Jesus, waiting they happen.
No worry, Tom. As it dey like this now, if Nigeria score one more goal now, it will be 3 goals for the game. Both of us, our game go enter. So don't worry now, just get faith.
Are you playing?
I don't hear. I will try to calm down. But you know say no easy. As I did like this game enter. 20 million I suppose win.
You see your problem, Tom. You dey look for 20 million. Me, the small game when I pick, if you enter like this, I win 200k. That 200k don't do me now. I will fund my business at the same time and pay bills for house. So my guy, I beg, just try relax. Make we watch this match finish. Come on, Tom. Tom, like say this people don't attack. Hey, they don't score one goal. Hey, my game don't enter. Game now 2-1, they don't beat Nigeria 2-1 no. Tom, this man wrong goal.
You don't happen no. As I did like this now to run go village, now you get me now.
They have left you.
We can quickly stop bus, we go carry me reach back. I must leave town now before these people come here come catch me.
This man!
Hold it right there, my friend. If you move, we light you for where you stand.
Are you playing?
Wait, you say the wrong go. You want skip town, Abi?
It's not you.
Officer, I told you, I don't want to skip town. No. I just say I quickly go buy something.
No wahala. We go escort you go. Then from there, now straight to station. You know why would they arrest you now?
Hi, which kind problem? Say problem no dey finish for this town. Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.